Welcome. This is a quick, 60-second guide to withdrawing money from Betmgm in 2025. First, open the Betmgm app or visit Betmgm and sign in with your credentials. Next, tap your profile or the wallet icon, then select the withdraw option from the menu. If prompted, complete identity verification now. Upload your ID or approve two-factor authentication. Choose your withdrawal method, bank transfer, PayPal, or card, and review any fees or limits. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, check your account limits, then tap Confirm to proceed. Processing times vary. Bank transfers typically take 3 to 5 business days. PayPal or cards often arrive faster. Security tip: double-check your bank or PayPal details and never share your password or verification codes. You will receive an in-app notification and an email once your withdrawal is initiated and when it completes. If a withdrawal fails, capture a screenshot, note the transaction ID, and contact Betmgm support immediately. Recap: sign in, open wallet, select withdraw, choose method, confirm, and watch for notifications. Thanks for watching. For more quick guides, subscribe, and remember to play responsibly and keep your account secure.